Hey. Are they also looking? Are they? Oh, sorry.
Hey, it's Olaf.
Oh, Olaf.
Yeah. See? It's Olaf. He's a snowman also.
He's coming past me. I'll just put my
You remember
hands.
Olaf? Snowman.
He gets past me.
Let me take this off.
Huh, it didn't seem as, like, some houses didn't do, I think that this house didn't decorate this year.
Ooh. Yeah.
This house didn't decorate this year. They boycotted.
Well, they moved and somebody else moved in.
Look at Snowman, Logan. Do you see a snowman?
He really likes this.
He does?
Is he looking at?
Yeah. He also likes me as a seat.
That I know.
Can you see right here? Maybe hold him standing?
Where?
No, do you want to hold him standing?
No, he
you
can see. He's
him?
above the. He's above the window. He can see. Look, Logan.
I like the Olaf. Ooh, look at this one has strong. Look, another snowman, Logan.
Another snowman, buddy. A snowman.
There's two snowmen.
So mellow. He's so mellow.
Daddy brings calmness.
Ho ho ho.
Do you see it? Logan, it says ho ho ho. Christmas.
Now.
Hi. Hi Logan.
นี่อุ้มลูกก็กลัวคนเห็นนะเพราะลูกก็ใส่กับเก้าอี้
Hi Logan.
Logan.